Welcome to our comparison video, where we will be diving into the features and specifications of two compact laundry solutions: the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the BLACK+DECKER BCED 37 Compact Dryer. Both products are designed for small living spaces, making them ideal for apartments, dorms, and RVs. Let's explore what each appliance has to offer and help you make an informed decision. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine is designed specifically for washing clothes, featuring a twin-tub system that allows for both washing and spinning. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER BCED 37 is solely a dryer, offering various drying modes to efficiently dry your laundry. While the BANGSON provides a complete washing solution, the BLACK+DECKER focuses on drying capabilities, making them complementary appliances for your laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the BANGSON washing machine can handle a total of 17.6 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER dryer has a capacity of 13.2 pounds. This means that while the BANGSON can wash larger loads, the BLACK+DECKER is designed to accommodate a slightly smaller drying load, which is important to consider when planning your laundry. Price is a significant factor for many consumers. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine is priced at $139.99, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a washing solution. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER dryer comes at a higher price of $259.99. This price difference reflects the functionality and features of each product, with the BANGSON being a more economical choice for washing. In conclusion, both the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the BLACK+DECKER BCED 37 Compact Dryer have their unique advantages. If you're looking for an affordable washing solution, the BANGSON is a great choice. However, if you need a reliable dryer with multiple drying options, the BLACK+DECKER is worth the investment. We hope this comparison helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.